Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2014 Toyota 86, stock number 6659. It's run from the 4th 2012 to the 9th 2016. It is an F820 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the F820 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left hand headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch factory Omega tyre. Left hand door mirror, left front door, 2 creases, left rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre, rear boot lid, no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre, right front door, 1 dent and crease, right hand door mirror, right front 17-inch factory Omega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,